Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the Show Lowercase feature on the iPhone or iPad. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter if you're doing this on the iPhone or an iPad, it is all going to work the same on both those devices. So what you want to do is to open Settings, then you want to swipe down a little bit, tap on Accessibility, then swipe down, tap on Keyboards, and here you have options to show lowercase keys. And what this feature does, that this affects keyboards that use the Shift key to switch between uppercase and lowercase letters, so that you don't have the caps lock, but you have the, just the Shift that does it for it. So now you have this feature on, off, and now you have it on, and now the Shift is going to act like the caps lock button. But also, even with this feature on, you can use the Shift to create, like the shortcuts like Shift C and whatever. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.